In the pursuit of justice, ensuring a fair and impartial trial is paramount. The justice system must be structured to inspire confidence and trust. Sometimes achieving this requires moving a criminal case from one court to another. This ensures fairness and upholds the integrity of legal proceedings. This essay will delve into the grounds for transferring criminal cases in Pakistan. We'll explore the legal provisions and the considerations behind such decisions. The Pakistani legal system recognizes that certain circumstances might compromise a fair trial in the original jurisdiction. These circumstances necessitate the transfer of cases to alternative courts. This practice ensures that justice is served without prejudice or bias. It also reflects the system's commitment to upholding the rule of law. A transfer might be necessary due to various factors. These include potential bias or influence, the complexity of the case, and the convenience of witnesses. The goal is always to create the most conducive environment for a fair trial. This benefits both the accused and the prosecution. Understanding the grounds for transferring criminal cases is crucial. It sheds light on the mechanisms in place to safeguard fairness and impartiality. It underscores the judiciary's commitment to upholding the principles of justice for all. Pakistan's high courts are the guardians of justice at the provincial level. Their jurisdiction extends to hearing appeals and providing legal remedies to citizens. When it comes to criminal cases, understanding their jurisdictional boundaries is crucial for determining where a case should be tried. Each high court has territorial jurisdiction over a specific province or region. For instance, the Lahore High Court presides over cases arising in Punjab. The Sindh High Court holds jurisdiction in Sindh, and so on. This division ensures that cases are heard by judges familiar with local laws and customs. The principle of territorial jurisdiction is central to Pakistan's legal system. It ensures that cases are tried in proximity to where the alleged offense took place. This facilitates easier access for witnesses, evidence collection, and public scrutiny. However, there are instances where a case might need to be transferred to Masilikit, a high court outside the original territory. This could be due to concerns about impartiality, the involvement of influential parties, or the need for specialized legal expertise. In such cases, specific legal provisions allow for the transfer to ensure a fair and just trial. The Code of Criminal Procedure, or KRPC, lays the groundwork for transferring criminal cases in Pakistan. Sections 526, 527, and 528 specifically provide the legal framework for these transfers. These sections outline the grounds, procedures, and authorities involved in moving a case from one court to another. Section 526 of the KRPC empowers the High Court to transfer cases or appeals from one sessions court or magistrates court to another within its jurisdiction. This ensures that cases are heard by a court deemed competent and unbiased. Section 527 deals with the transfer of cases from one high court to another. This provision comes into play when a fair and impartial trial is deemed impossible within the original high court's jurisdiction. Finally, Section 528 outlines the procedure for transferring cases from a criminal court to a high court. This is typically invoked when the high court itself deems it necessary to hear a particular case due to its significance or complexity. Understanding these sections of the KRPC is crucial for comprehending the legal basis for transferring criminal cases in Pakistan. It highlights the careful consideration and procedures involved in ensuring that justice is served. Section 4, Grounds for Transfer Ensuring Fairness and Efficiency. The decision to transfer a criminal case is not taken lightly. It's rooted in specific grounds aimed at upholding the principles of fairness and justice. Several factors might necessitate a transfer, all revolving around ensuring an unbiased and efficient trial. One of the primary grounds for transfer is the apprehension of bias or prejudice in the original court. This could stem from local influence, threats to witnesses, or a perceived lack of impartiality. In such cases, moving the case to a different jurisdiction ensures that external factors don't taint the proceedings. Another ground is the complexity of the legal issues involved. Some cases might require specialized legal expertise or knowledge not readily available in the original court. Transferring the case to a court with the necessary expertise ensures that the legal intricacies are adequately addressed. Convenience and expediency also play a role. If a significant number of witnesses reside outside the original jurisdiction, transferring the case to a more convenient location can expedite the trial process. This reduces the burden on witnesses and facilitates the efficient administration of justice. Section 5, Conclusion. Upholding justice through careful transfers. Transferring criminal cases is a mechanism ingrained in Pakistan's legal system to safeguard the integrity of justice. It's not a routine procedure, but a carefully considered decision based on specific legal grounds and the pursuit of fairness. The provisions within the Cards APC, particularly sections 526, 527 and 528, provide the framework for these transfers. They outline the authority of the high courts to transfer cases within and outside their jurisdictions to ensure an impartial and just trial. The grounds for transfer are rooted in the principles of fairness, impartiality, and efficiency. Whether it's due to concerns about bias, the complexity of the case, or the convenience of witnesses, the ultimate aim is to create the most conducive environment for justice to be served. Understanding the grounds and procedures for transferring criminal cases underscores the Pakistani legal system's commitment to upholding the rule of law. It highlights the judiciary's dedication to ensuring that every individual receives a fair trial, free from prejudice and external influence.